South African actress and musician Sims Ngema is celebrating a major milestone after purchasing a stunning new Land Rover, a Range Rover Sport 2025 worth between 2 million and 3 million. Taking to Instagram on 12 March 2026, the proud mother of two shared photos posing next to a luxurious ride and credited God for making her long-time dream come true, revealing that owning a Range Rover started as a vision she manifested years ago. Sims even shared a screenshot of an old post from April 2021 where she jokingly thanked God for the car she did not yet own, explaining at the time that she was simply practicing the power of manifestation. Nearly 5 years later, that dream has officially become reality, prompting the star to proudly declare, "Call me Mrs. Rover." Fans and fellow celebrities quickly flooded her comment section with congratulatory messages, including her partner Tino Chinyani, who called it a season of answered prayers. While stars like Samkelo Ndlovu, Ntando Duma and Ebuhle Samuels also joined in celebrating her success, as many praised her for dedication and proof that dreams really do come true.